Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix REDnote app sign-in problem. So if you're currently having that exact same problem and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. Because actually me myself, I had the exact same issue and this is how I fixed it. Firstly, I actually closed my REDnote app and instead I went into my settings app. So go into your settings app and now what you're going to do in here is to just simply scroll down and then you're going to click where it says general. So click on general. Now scroll down in here and click on storage. Wait for this page to completely load here for you. And by the way, this might take a couple of seconds just so you know, so just wait. And when it's done and you have all the apps in here, as you can see, just scroll down and then click on the REDnote app. So click on the app itself here and then click on offload app and once again click on offload app in here. Just wait a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button here again. Because what will happen now is that you will automatically update your REDnote app to the absolute latest version, which you actually have to do, unfortunately, to be able to actually make sure that these sign-in problems can actually be fixed. So now what you're going to do when it's done, go back into the app itself and try again. If it still is not working, you can always click where it says forgot password or something similar and then reset your password. But basically, this is exactly how to fix this problem.